Alright, front of the motor. It's like throttle body positioning sensor. Goes to there. Wiring harness runs down beside the motor. This comes out, plugs into something. Wiring harness runs down through here. Big body comes out right here. Comes up there. Comes out, comes up here. This runs around to there. Got a big fat wiring harness that runs out. Comes to this plug in. And then comes on over to the ECU plug in. And also comes off the coil packs, runs down in front of the motor. Oil pressure sensor, I'm assuming. Crosses over pretty deep in there. Fuel injections. That one runs down through there, runs through your fuel injectors, comes out right here. Got a big pack of wires right here. These look like our main wires because they're thick. These over here are low gauge wires, and these over here are thick gauge wires. And fewer of them. So I'm gonna assume this is probably where all of our power and stuff is gonna go in at. Alright, hope that helps. 97 Ford Explorer 5.0.